Did you know that despite Real Madrid's decline this season, there is still one player no one can criticize? He has always proven himself and fulfilled his part of the deal. He plays in every position. When Real needs a defender, he's there. A striker, he's there. A midfielder, still there. And if one day Real needed a goalkeeper, he'd be there too. He is tireless. He is the engine of Real. He sacrifices himself for the club. He is irreplaceable. Real Madrid cannot function without him. He has to play every match, and that's exactly what he's done in recent seasons. For example, last season he played 56 matches. That's a little more than one game per week. Not Mbappe, not Vinicius Jr., not Rodrigo. The best Real Madrid player is him, because he defines the balance of the team. And what's even better is that he's also a great goal scorer. He scores stunning goals with a unique and powerful shot. He is, without a doubt, the brain of the team, the one who makes everything work. His ability to score incredible goals from long range with almost no reaction time is simply unreal. Every strike, every goal is full of passion. He doesn't need instructions, he does everything perfectly. He is the soul of the club, and if he were to be missing, Real Madrid would collapse. Can you guess who it is?